How to adjust the time of SKMEI Drum wristwatch. Hi, I'm Glenn of Renox Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the time and date of a unique watch from SKMEI, and it has a formal model number which is the number 1558. If I remember correctly, it was 2 years ago when I bought this watch from Lazada, and at that time maybe the price is around 1,000 pesos plus. I have to check, and I'm gonna put in the description below how much I bought this and the link of the seller. But the last time I checked, it says that this model is already discontinued, so I won't expect this to be selling in the near future. Okay, if you compare this watch with my other watch, it's a bit bigger. You know, this watch that I have, this green one, is already huge, but compared to this drum watch, it appears to be a bit smaller. The type of clasp for this watch is the buckle type there, as you can see. The material that they used for the bracelet is stainless steel. Now in the description they say that the watch case itself is made of alloy or stainless steel. Any of the two, I'm not sure, but this watch is really heavy. So the bracelet itself, it's already heavy, plus the weight of the case, and probably the movement itself is a bit heavy also. The water resistance capability of this watch is around 5 bar. Now let's go ahead and show you how to adjust the time. First, we're going to adjust the time on the small clock at the top by long pressing or by holding the button on the right side of the watch, the middle one. Long press onto that button and you will see that the minute will move rapidly. To stop the minute hand from moving fast, just press the same button once. And if you want the minute hand to move bit by bit, like 1 minute at a time, you can single press that button on the middle on the right, at the right side of this watch, and you can adjust the minute hand by the minute. Now I'm going to show you how to adjust the date part. We will need to enter the settings mode. I'm showing the two buttons that you need to press together, and you will notice that once you enter the settings mode, the day part will move. Now in order for you to adjust the date, press the top button on the right side of this watch once. So every time you press it once, the day will move. If you want to change the month, press the middle button on the right side of the watch and it will adjust the month. That goes the same for the day. Press the lower button on the right and it will change the date. To get out of the settings mode, press both the upper button and the lower button simultaneously, and you will see that all the drums at the bottom will rotate fully. After that, the settings will be saved. So that's how easy it is to adjust the clock part of this watch and the date part of this watch. Now I'm just going to adjust the bracelet and remove a few of its part so that it can fit my wrist. If you want to know if this watch is comfortable to wear, um, for me it's a bit bulky and a bit heavy to wear, but it's fine. Um, you'll get used to it in the long run, but yeah, it's a bit heavier compared to my other watches. If you are curious to know whether this watch can make other people's head turn and look at it, um, not really. I don't remember people complimenting it too much. Maybe because I was not wearing it every time, but yeah, I didn't get much compliment about it. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments at the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.